Hey everyone, welcome back. If your status column in Monday.com isn't updating correctly, like changes not reflecting, automations not triggering, or notifications not sending, don't worry. This usually happens because of misconfigured settings, permissions, or automation conflicts. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Check column settings. Open the board, then click the status column, then column settings. Make sure the labels are correct and haven't been renamed or deleted. Invalid labels can prevent updates. Step 2. Verify board permissions. Users must have edit access to update status. Check board settings arrow permissions and ensure they can modify items. Step 3. Test manually. Try changing the status on a sample item. If it updates correctly, the issue may be with automations or integrations. Step 4. Check automations affecting the column. Open automation's arrow activity log and see if there are rules that overwrite the status or fail to trigger. Disable conflicting rules temporarily. Step 5. Review dependencies. If the item has dependencies, some status updates may be blocked until prerequisite tasks are completed. Check the dependency column if used. Step 6. Clear cache or reload app. Sometimes the issue is visual. Clear your browser or app cache and reload monday.com to see if the status updates. Step 7. Check integrations. Status columns connected to apps like Slack, Gmail, or CRM tools may fail if the integration is disconnected. Reconnect the integration if needed. Step 8. Contact monday.com support. If none of the above fixes work, submit screenshots and details to support. Backend or sync issues may need their intervention. Most status column issues happen due to column misconfigurations, permission restrictions, or automation conflicts. And these steps fix nearly all cases. Follow these steps and your monday.com status columns should update correctly. Again, see you in the next guide.